Hey, Alchemy of Life here. So thank you to all you alchemists who have been a part of my channel for the past 5 years. And through my development in the last decade into the occult and spirituality, I have, taught myself so much. I've learned from master teachers. I've had spiritual mentors. I've, consoled myself when I couldn't find it from anywhere else. I've learned so much, and this is why I'm offering spiritual consultations, because I now know that I can offer you guys, those whose spirits need and want to be guided in that right direction, and you can take it from there. This is why, one of the main reasons why I'm offering spiritual consultations. It's always going to be based on how and what. Why, those type of questions, like, what do you want to know? What does your spirit need? What book do you need? Do you need to learn about surrender and the divine feminine? What I'm saying is, I have amassed a certain type of knowledge, and I'm always learning, because you can't know everything. But this is one of the ways that I am able to teach and to be a guide to others, is through spiritual consultations on Alchemy of Life Co. Etsy. So I'm coming on here to tell you guys, run over there if you need one. We do them by the hour. They are $55 an hour, but it's well worth it. And for spiritual consultations, that's very light. For everything that I have given, that is very light. And I just want to help, because one thing is, I will helping my spirit and my soul just as much doing these, because I know I will be learning from you guys as well, because I know there is somebody down to ask me a question that I don't know shit about. That's a chance for me to learn. So I am opening up myself as others open up themselves to me. So run over to Alchemy of Life Co. and get you a spiritual consultation. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next lecture. Peace. Wholeness, whatever you say.